students, staff, friends, and family. Chris here from Major Saver. The school year is off to a great start, and we are so excited to be kicking off the Major Saver Core Card fundraiser in your school today. Each one of you are going home with a packet. It looks just like this. Please do us a huge favor, put your name first and last, teacher's name, and grade at the top of the packet. That way if it gets lost or misplaced, we can get it back to you as quickly as possible. Put this in your backpack or your take-home folder. Get this out tonight. Share this information with your family. There's a lot of good information on the outside of this packet as well as inside the packet this year. Inside the packet, you will find the Core Card flyer. At the top of the flyer, there's a picture of both the front and back of this year's Core Card. There are 21 area businesses on this card, and a card only sells for $15. Now we do still have our Major Saver app listed here at the top of the card. It includes reusable offers that are both local, regional, and nationwide. Now here are some good people to sell the Major Saver card to. Mom and dads, aunts and uncles, grandparents, friends of the family. If you're involved with sports or activities outside of school, take this information along with you. You might run into someone, doesn't have a student here in the district because it's such an awesome value, they'll want to buy a Major Saver card and they'll end up buying it from you. Now there are two ways that you can go about selling a card to someone. Option number one, cash or check. You're going to put their money in this envelope. You're going to write their name on the back of the envelope so you know whose money you have collected. You will bring this envelope and the money inside to school on one of the collection days that are listed here at the top of the flyer. We'll be in your school starting Monday, October the 12th. For 1 week, the last day will be Monday, October the 19th. If at any time you have Major Saver money in your envelope, please send it to the office first thing in the morning. I'll stop by, take care of your Major Saver business. We'll take the money out, we'll put the cards in, the prizes in, and then give you your packet back so you can keep on selling until that last day. Option number two, we want to bring your attention to our unique link contactless ordering program. You can simply go to our website, majorsaver.com. You or your parents can fill in the information that's specific to you. You will get a unique link that you can send to friends and family. When they use that link to order their cards online, they can use their credit or debit card. It'll automatically credit you for that sale. We'll mail the cards to them, but we'll give you the student credit for that sale by delivering your prizes to school. Now on the back side of your flyer is a picture of every prize that we offer. Our prizes range from selling just one little old Major Saver card all the way to selling 40 Major Saver cards. Stay tuned for that prize information, and I will see you starting on Monday, October the 12th. On the back side of your flyer is a picture of our entire prize program. Our prizes range from selling just one little old Major Saver card all the way to selling 40 Major Saver cards. So let's get started. Our prize for selling one card this year, we have our Crazy Twist pencils. They come in all different colors. You can twist them into the craziest of shapes. Again, the Crazy Twist pencil is the prize for selling one Major Saver card. We go from 1 to 3. This one your parents are going to love. This is our miniature sport horn. Just simply blow into the hole right here. Oh, as you can see, it's quite loud. This is our prize for selling 3 Major Saver cards, is our miniature sport horn. We go from 3 to 6. Our 6-point prize level this year, we have our cash drawstring backpack. Again, this is the prize for selling 6 Major Saver cards. We go from 6 to 9. At our 9-point prize level, we have our battery-operated LED disco bulb. This thing looks awesome in a dark room. After 9, we go to 12. At our 12-point prize level, we have our globe copter. Just simply turn it on, has LEDs on the inside of it. This thing takes off. You can control it with your hand. I might step off camera here to catch it, but again, this is our 12-point prize. This is the globe copter for selling 12 Major Saver cards. Back to one your parents are going to love, our 15-point prize, we will have your own mega phone. Again, your parents are going to love it, our 15-point prize, your own personal mega phone. After 15, we go to 20. Our 20-point prize this year is our Bluetooth speaker buddy. You can connect them to any Bluetooth device and jam out to your favorite tunes. After 20, we go to 25. We have an awesome Nano racing drone. Again, this is the prize for selling 25 Major Saver cards. After 25, we go to 30, and I'm going to step back here to make sure I've got enough room in the camera. This is our inflatable LED remote control chair. You can change the colors of it with your LED remote control, and it doesn't come blown up, so it'll be easy for you guys to get this home in your backpack. After 30, we go to 40. At our 40-point prize level, you're going to have your choice of 2 different items. The first one is a miniature fridge. It holds about 4 to 6 cans of soda, great for a little living room beside your chair or maybe in your bedroom. Or prize choice number 2 for selling 40 cards, we have our electric razor scooter. This is pretty awesome. It's big, but we'll make sure that you get home with it. Again, this is our prize choice number 2 for selling 40 Major Saver cards. Now, one last item to tell you about. The very first collection day that will be in your school, we have a special bonus prize. It's listed here at the top of your packet. We have our Cosmic Trooper keychains. They come in 12 unique designs, all different crazy alien cosmic troopers. Again, these are a bonus prize for day 1 and day 1 only. You will receive 1 Cosmic Trooper keychain for every card sold between now and that first collection day. If you sell 12 cards, collect them all. If you sell 1 card, get the 1-point prize plus 1 of our Cosmic Trooper keychains. These are pretty cool too. They glow under a black light. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and we'll see you next week.